the project was important in getting to deepen the inputs that we are getting for the case study from the end user perspective. So that allows us to actually pave the way for understanding issues like the socioeconomic benefits of the study in the context of the nexus. So we basically started the conversation that actually enrich the understanding in terms of how the climate services would actually be of benefit. And also we interrogated issues like how to communicate the products.
Personally, I really enjoyed the interactions with the farmers that were invited to the session. I think their inputs are important generally for Focus Africa for us to understand more on their livelihoods, their processes, how they view climate information, how important it is for them, and how they make decisions based on our inputs.
I think the value of having the Department of Agriculture and some farmers from the Northwest Province coming to the workshop was very valuable. We were able to understand more of their farming practices, and just building the relationship with the Department of Agriculture has also been very useful, and we were able to talk about possible visits there, and so it's been very helpful from that point of view at the workshop.
Well, so I think we can harness the synergy between the various case studies. This was quite interesting. We have some perspective from other regions, and really the challenges are nuanced. They seem similar across. There are some things that need tailoring here and there, but I felt this was really crucial meeting to have. Yeah.
Workshops like this are very good in many aspects, but I would like to highlight that they give us an opportunity as scientists to actually meet in person, and that is very important in terms of strengthening the networks, building working relationships, and this in turn will fit into the success of the project.